Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into an essential accessory for your Insta360 X3 camera, the Best Insta360 X3 lens cover. If you're looking to protect your camera while maintaining the clarity and quality of your shots, you're in the right place. Let's explore what makes this lens cover a must-have for any Insta360 X3 user. The Insta360 X3 lens guards are designed with precision and care, ensuring a snug fit for your camera's lenses. Made from custom-designed plastic, these lens guards offer superior protection against scratches and impacts, allowing you to capture stunning 360-degree footage without worry. Whether you're out on a rugged adventure or shooting in urban settings, having a reliable lens cover can save you from potential damage. One of the standout features of these lens guards is their removable design. This means that when you're ready to shoot, you can easily install and remove the guards without any hassle. This convenience allows you to adapt quickly to different shooting scenarios, ensuring that you're always ready to capture that perfect moment. The lens guards not only protect your camera but also ensure that your footage remains clear and unblemished. The transparent design of the guards preserves the quality of your images and videos, so you won't have to compromise on the visual integrity of your content. With these guards in place, you can be confident that your Insta360 X3 is fully equipped to handle whatever environment you find yourself in. Now, let's talk about the installation process. It's straightforward and user-friendly. Simply align the guards with the lenses, press gently to secure them in place, and you're good to go. Plus, the lightweight nature of the guards means that they won't add unnecessary bulk to your setup. Another great aspect is that these lens guards come at a reasonable price point. Priced typically around $19.99, they're a small investment compared to the cost of potential repairs for a scratched or damaged lens. And right now, you can snag them for just $17.99, making it an even more attractive purchase. In addition to their protective capabilities, these lens guards are a part of a larger ecosystem of accessories designed for the Insta360 X3. You can combine them with other protective gear and accessories, enhancing your overall shooting experience and ensuring that you are prepared for any situation. So there you have it. The Insta360 X3 lens guards are an essential accessory for any owner of this impressive camera. They provide the protection you need without sacrificing quality, are easy to install, and are budget-friendly. If you're serious about your photography or videography, investing in these lens guards is a smart move. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique today. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product insights. Let us know in the comments if you've tried these lens guards or if you have any other accessories you'd recommend for the Insta360 X3. Until next time, keep capturing those amazing moments.